Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be dabbling in some new makeup. Obviously I have nothing on my face. So the first item I want to try is the Milk Makeup Matcha Toner. And I'm just going to go ahead and try it on my face. It is very cooling. Focus. I'm gonna go ahead and rub that all over my face and the creases of my nose and around my mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in all the oily spots under my chin. And go ahead and go in with a cotton swab and go ahead and wipe away the excess and hopefully get all the dirt and grime and oils out of my face. And oh god, that's a lot. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was all on my face. So now that we are all cleaned and toned, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a No Problems primer by Touch and Soul, aka Beauty Brand. I'm gonna go ahead and get about 2 pumps, about that much. Rub it in between my fingers. Start off in the center by the T-zone. In the creases of the nose, corners of my mouth, my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and spread the excess all across my face. And this is gonna really help target all the oily zones, especially the T-zone. That is where I get most oily. Make sure you're getting the corners of your nose. I know, can you understand me? Make sure you get the corners of your nose upwards and out again. Okay, wonderful. So, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Hourglass Stick Foundation in the shade Sand. Can I read that? Sand. And this is a very high coverage concealer. High coverage foundation. It really doesn't take much and it's great for travel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple swipes here and there. I got my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and buff that in. In with a foundation brush and go ahead and buff that in all around. And let me actually lower my light so you guys can get the gist. There we go. Bring you guys in a little bit closer. And it really doesn't take much to blend this, especially since I'm usually on the go. So this stuff is great. I'm gonna go ahead and buff that in, blend. And it's a nice, soft satin finish. It's not really matte. I know you can't really tell on camera. It's not really matte, it's not really dewy, and it's good for me because I have combination skin, so it's not really oily and it's not really matte, so it's doing wonders. It actually looks pretty natural. Oh, it's a spot. Let me go ahead and blend. Alright. So that's the foundation laid. I'm gonna opt not to do contour, but I will go in with my brows, so I will see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so now that the brows are laid, we're gonna go ahead and go in with a second new item, which is the Game of Thrones palette by Urban Decay. If you open her up, you get a nice mirror, and then if you pull this little tab, you get the Iron Throne, which is really quite nice. And there's a little quote on the book. And another tab right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. And you get all these lovely shades. So we're gonna go ahead and tap in. I'm gonna go right into House of Lannister, right here. And I'm just gonna use that as a base color. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap that all over my lid and just set the concealer that's underneath. Just go ahead and set that throughout. And do the same on the other side. Nice and evenly with patting motions. We're gonna go ahead and set all the way up to the brow bone. Do so evenly. And I like to do this, guys, especially with setting my eyelids with concealer, because I don't know about y'all, but I tend to get some hyperpigmentation where it's more pigmented on one end of the eye than it is the other. And this just helps to even out tone. So that's that. And let's see, what color should I play with? Go ahead and grab a small shader brush and go into the shade, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and go into shade Casterly Rock right here, and go ahead and shade that throughout my eyelid. And there's not a heck of a lot of fallout on this, guys. So it's actually really not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and put that throughout my lid. And again, do so on the other side. Gonna go into the shade Sight with a pencil brush, and gonna go ahead and put that in the outer corner and bring that slightly inwards. So, like so. Bring over a mirror for myself. And we're gonna bring that about halfway into the lid. Right about there. And sorry if I'm looking this way, guys, I'm just looking at the mirror. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on the other side as well. I'm gonna go ahead and move this a bit. Make sure you're blending it really well together. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay another color in the middle just so it doesn't look so separated. So go ahead with more of Sight. So on the other side. Sorry if it's blurring in and out, it doesn't know what to focus on. Focus! And go ahead and pull that inwards, like so. I really like the colors, guys. It's very smooth in consistency and blends out pretty nicely. The colors are pretty phenomenal, and each color is pretty pigmented Watch out for Frozen North because that one is a little more fallout and hard to blend. And I know because I swatched these in Sephora and that was what made me actually commit to this. Go ahead and blend the excess into the middle like so. Ooh, very pretty. And let's see. With another shader brush, we're gonna go ahead and go into the shade King's Landing right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread that in the middle, like so. Right here in the middle where the green meets the yellow. That pretty. And same thing on the other side, right where they meet. I'm gonna put King's Landing. Quite nice. And I'm gonna go into the shade Hard Home with a small flat brush, like so. I'm gonna go into the shade Hard Home. Tap it off. And go ahead and do the inner corners, like so. And work my way upwards. Not sure if you guys can see that. And same on the other side. Up to there. More. Pretty. We're gonna go into a clean blending brush and go into shade Nymeria, and we're just gonna use that as our transition shade. That way it doesn't look so mismatched or too sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and buff that into the crease and out your corner. Do the same on the other side as well. And it's gonna help make everything cohesive and blend nicely. It's good. I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke some of Sight. Just tiny spit on the pencil brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into my inner corner, sorry, my outer corner, and just slowly drag the color underneath. And do the same on the other side. Just drag that color underneath. And I'm gonna go do lips, lashes, and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright, and here we have the finished look. I am wearing lashes by Lashaholic in the shade Insta Glam. And lashes do make a big difference in any makeup look. They're very long and wispy, which I really like. And I think it just kind of brings the whole look together. On my lips, I'm wearing Kylie Jume, the color changing lipstick. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'm more than welcome to hear anything you guys have to say, and I hope to see you guys in the future video. Oh, and please keep up to date with my videos because I'll be adding more to the giveaway vault, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.